Alright, welcome to AfricanPianoLessons.com. So today's lesson, I'll be showing you how to play All That Matters by GUC. It's a very simple song and it follows like a very common progression 1-4-1-5 that we hear a lot in a lot of African music. And I'll also be showing you, we'll be beginning to look at things you can do for passing chord, getting to chord 4, melodic phrases, things like that, and then gradually build into more of the complex stuff in the other series in this lesson. Stay tuned. Hello, welcome to AfricanPianoLessons.com. So today's lesson, I'll be showing you how to play that song, All That Matters, and we'll be using the song to learn a couple of passing chords. I tend to approach passing chords, melodic phrases, and well, let's just get straight into the lesson. So I played the song earlier in key of C, just for simplicity, but the techniques I will explain can be applicable, in all keys. The song was done in E major, and if you specifically want me to do in other keys, just drop me a message and I'll try my best to do that. So back to C, a lot of people should by now be able to play major scales. If you're new to this channel, we have a couple of lessons that goes through foundational stuff, so I won't explain that. Just check a couple of our videos, and also please subscribe. So if we get to C, a very quick of the scales: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. That's the C major scale. And the song, the progression is very simple. It goes from 1-4, in the simplest form, 1-5. I'll put you in front of my melody. You are all that matter. You are all that matter. I'll make room for two. You and I, Jesus. You are all that matter. You are all that matter. So this song, if you will go back to the numbering system, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it goes from chord 1 to 4, then back to 1, back to 5. So for simplicity, chord 1 is C and C. Let's play it as octaves. And your right hand plays C, E, G, or you can play G, C, E, or you can play C, G, E, G, C. And this is looking at inversions. I have a lesson coming up trying to explain more from inversions. But if we use, let's say we use this inversion, or C, E, G, and if you can reach, you can add the last note, C, E, G, C, or you can do left hand C and C. So I'll put you in front. It goes to chord F, F major, F, F, C, F, A. Front of my melody. Then goes back to C. You are all that matter. Then to G. Chord G now is D, G, B. You are all that matter. And back to chord 1. So slowly. Put you in front. So you can F, F. Front of my melody. C, G. You are all that matter. D, G, B, G, G. You are all that matter. Oh, we, all that matter. Oh, we, you are all that matter. Great. So that's the first thing to practice. Just go chord 1 to 4. You can also play, I'm just playing the same notes on my left and right hand. All that matter. And sometimes I may also play, the chords on my left hand. If I need to do some fillings, which we'll come to in a bit. So that's the almost like the basic chord. Also, if you think about the major scales, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to 1. Now the first thing, which obviously from the song, they did a little twist, was I put you in front, chord 4, front of my melody. Then we can go to 6. So I'll just play here now. Which is A, and you can double the notes. You are all that matter. G, you are all that matter. Now let me explain the concept behind that. And if you look at the major scales, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is a trick which sometimes people use. When you look at chord 1, C, E, G, it means if you play any of these notes and you play chord 1, they can also work as the bass line, and it gives a very a different color to your chords. And again, I'm just using this finger so you can see the notes very well. Okay, so that's the first concept to practice. Just practice your chord and do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm playing chord 1 over bass C1 now, over bass 3, and over bass 5. And again the last time, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now when it comes to passing chords, if we're going from chord 1 to 4 now, the simplest, not like this, easiest way, in my own opinion, sometimes is to approach almost a semitone lower or semitone above. But for part 1 of this lesson, we just approach from semitone before the note we are applying. And also it makes it easier when you look at the scales C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3 to 4, 5, 6, 7, back to 1. So which means before you approach chord 4, we can play chord 3. So I put you in front. So we can go I put you in front. Put you in front. So that's ba, ba, ba. And if you remember from what I was saying earlier, all you just have to do is you stay on chord 1 and just change your bass to 3, because it's all power of the note C, E, G. Put you in front. And again. Front of my melody. For the last time. You are all that matter. You are all that. So if you're putting in 1, 3, 4. Did you see that again? Up 3, which is called C over bass E in front. Sometimes, because slash, depending on how you see it. And if we want to also explain, you can do a bit advanced now, but for those that understand drop 2 voicing, you know, that's another way to apply it. You know, drop 2 is just you drop the second notes and you play as the bass. So I just play C and G, and that's so using drop 2 I approach. So for the last time now, 1, 3, 4. So let's apply it to the song. I'll put you in front of my melody. You are all that matter. You are all that matter. And again, for 2, you and I, Jesus. You are all that matter. You are all that matter. Oh, we, oh, we. Oh, we, oh, we. You are all that matter. Good. So we've learned to approach chord 4. Now, if you want to approach chord 1, following the same principle, if you go 1 semitone lower, then just go from B, C. So, and a trick, you know, like I was explaining, that if you look at G, B, D, it means if you play, you can play bass G, you can play B, and you can play D as well for G. So if you play bass, because that's semitone before C, then you go back to chord 1, or you can any of your versions of G. So let's pick this one. So let's go now. So that's the exercise you do. So if you apply it to the song, so that's your passing chord B and B, and your right hand B, D, D, G, B. I put you in front of my melody. You are all that matter. You are all that matter. 3, 2, 4, 7. All that matter. Oh, wait. So sometimes what I was just doing, I was trying to like play some notes, and the musical time is put some accent in it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to, like, you know, almost lead the top note. So the last thing, just to quickly open up your mind, is if you back to the 3 chord, if you play C2, I mean we'll talk about that's playing C major chord, but if you play C2 now, which is C, D, E, and G on the 3rd note. So and all you have just C, D, E, and G. You're adding the D note, which is the 2, 1, 2. And you can do a lot of phrases. 5. All the matter. All the matter. So when you go to 3, you have that note. So what you can then do, if you arrange the notes, so to wrap up, you know, we say C, D, E, G. if you can also play D, G, and C. Since you are playing your as drop 2 now, if you remove this note and just play it E here, and you can, even when you run as arpeggios, it makes nice. All that matters, you are all that matters, you are all that matters. So C2, can you see that now? As passing chords to 4 in front of my melody. You can use major chord, passing to 1, 3. See that? 4, back to 1, to 5, 7. Thank you for watching. Next part 2 of this lesson, we'll look at other approaches we can do to those chords, and I want you to practice this very well. And please let me know if this has been a blessing to you.